Yet again, hi everybody, and welcome back to Elon Musk land. Despite the fact that Tesla stock has been having a few quite harsh days, the specialist and examination have all guaranteed financial backers that better days are coming. There is as yet a strong number of bullish impetuses that are still in sight, and some of them are underway. With this, there's sufficient motivation to accept that Tesla stock will soar by around 20 before long today. These bullish impetuses are a premium, which remembers the satisfactory utilizations of their effect for the stock, and when they might actually soar Tesla's stock cost, they may very well assist us with understanding the reason why it is that Tesla stock will soar soon. So what will compel the Tesla stock Skyrocket stay blocked to figure out? Well, recently Tesla's consolidated stock arrived at 1 trillion in valuation anyway. It has since seen an inversion of sorts in 2022. Even with the more extensive market auction in tech values, not so much as a fantastic profit report and record benefits were sufficient to turn the organization's fortunes around. As a matter of fact, the stock dropped by in excess of 11 after the call and has even declined further from that point forward. As per the organization's market cap, the firm, which is situated in Austin, Texas, as of now has a market cap of $935.45 billion, putting it among the main 5 organizations on the rundown and the biggest organizations. Moreover, as of Walk 7, it was the most significant car creator in spite of the organization being on target to meet its objectives. As it explores the obstacles and obstructions that are tossed its direction, the stock has just ascended by a little rate before it returned to the negatives again. This could be brought about by various reasons. One of them is the shadow that fell because of the occasion in Ukraine and the presentation of authorizations on Russia. These are certainly adding to this slump anyway. The vast majority of the cutting-edge organizations are confronting a desolate cloud, with the electronic vehicle industry being the most impacted. Tesla financial backers are likewise frightened, making them sell away their portions since heritage unique gear producers may ultimately find Tesla and perhaps stretch out beyond the Trailblazer brand. Seth Goldstein, a senior value market investigation in Morningstar, remarked on this maxim that they accept a portion of the sell-offs have been owing to the rearrangement of the drawn-out assumptions for the organization, even with the expanded rivalry. He likewise discussed stock costs dropping after Tesla president Elon Musk posted a tweet in November guaranteeing that he might auction more offers in the wake of having sold around $7 billion in Tesla stock. As of late after the survey was done, the tycoon then, at that point, sold around 10.1 million portions of Tesla, which were valued at around $10.86 billion. Yet, like a few financial backers, the firm stayed unaffected, and it even adhered to its unique objective cost. Goldstein then expressed that they didn't actually accept that the administration had taken action to sell the stock. He contended that in light of this, there was a compelling reason to return to their expectations anyway, and there might be some market distress brought about by a few Tesla explicit troubles. Elon Musk, Tesla chief, is now associated with a long-running and progressively unpleasant battle with the Protections and Trade Commission. This is more than a 2018 settlement on how he utilizes virtual entertainment. The organization's processing plant in Germany still can't seem to be opened. The initial date has been deferred many times, and even with every one of the commitments that the firm has made, this processing plant supposedly has an extraordinary job in the organization's desires in Europe and over the long haul as well, and it's there to extend the organization's switches. Revealed that Tesla has pushed back the development of the hotly anticipated and proposed electric pickup truck into the principal quarter of the following year. At first, it was booked for late 2022, yet it's truly been pushed back to the primary quarter of 2023. All that we discussed is the pessimistic side of things, however, so we should investigate the upsides. Can anyone explain why we guarantee that Tesla stock will soar before very long by around 200? The explanation for this is entirely straightforward. It is on the grounds that the organization is as of now confronting a circle back in a few viewpoints, and all of this is being impacted by a ton of things. The first is the occasion in Ukraine instead of the underlying alarm that was there. Financial backers are currently beginning to comprehend the Russian authorizations. According to an alternate point of view, they can now see that these authorizations will influence the entire EV industry, all in all. And with Tesla at the front line, all things considered, the main fare for Tesla is well up. Russia is one of the significant exporters of oil, and even as they blacklist their country, most nations will be compelled to search for different choices that incorporate electric and sun-based influences. This is precisely the same thing Tesla manages, so we don't have to let you know what this will emphatically mean for the organization's stock valuation. The greater part of the specialists appear to be concurring. asserting that the organization may possibly benefit from any climbs in the fuel cycle or government controls on more conventional gas-powered motor cars as the years go by. The other component is some solution for the heritage unique hardware producers, or OEMs. Certain individuals guarantee that they are ahead as of now and that they will get a sizable portion of the market anyway. I accept that this isn't correct if you were to ask me. Tesla is the market chief with regards to electric vehicles in the US. In 2021 alone, the organization conveyed in excess of 936,000 overall vehicles. In spite of the fact that the US and China are two of Tesla's most significant business sectors right now, they are reputed to have previously been en route to outperforming the conveyances from the principal quarter. This is on the grounds that they're as of now battling with nailing their innovative angles down as per a Deutsche Bank investigation. Tesla's incredible direction for its battery innovation limit and most eminently moderateness will keep on speeding up the world's relocation to electric vehicles, which will extraordinarily broaden Tesla's lead and likewise develop the planned progressions. More proficient manufacturing plants, a total creation slope, better material obtainment, a restricted store network, and work hours decrease. One of the examiners said that the electric vehicle contenders have not exactly begun this work. This is the kind of thing that we can all settle on. On the grounds that individuals begin understanding this, there will currently be a change in market opinion that will make Tesla's stock price soar. Next, we must resolve the inner issues in view of history and insights. Elon Musk's tricks don't appear to influence the stock price. Tesla went through a considerable amount of segregation, claims, reviews, and virtual entertainment posts, which showed the organization's most recent self-driving programming, pointing a vehicle at a cyclist anyway, that didn't appear to irritate the organization's fans, and backing the bill at the Gigafactory is something else entirely anyway. It caused a large portion of the financial backers to lose confidence in the brand's exhibition this year, particularly after they declared the digital truck's delivery date was delayed anyway. This bill in the Gigafactory is presently functional, and this could flag a future stock cost increment. Tesla's as of now started work on the venture, which will essentially comprise of a battery industrial facility with a limit of more than 50 gigawatt hours of the year. This is way higher than that of European contenders. Musk says that volume creation at the German battery plant will start toward the end of the following year, with the on-site batteries at first being obtained from China. This fundamentally implies more vehicle deals and more benefit, all while the electric vehicle organization is preparing to catch a decent piece of the European market that is as of now overwhelmed by Volkswagen in regards to the digital truck. Musk says that he desires to make about a fourth of 1 million digital trucks every year anyway. This will require some investment as a result of the deluge of new advances, and it's far-fetched that the batteries would be a restricting factor with regards to the assembly of the digital truck. Musk said that their association with Panasonic is, as of now, going pretty well. One more issue that he raised was that of reasonableness. Musk says that he's more worried about how they will make the digital truck reasonable, yet it makes them flabbergasted innovation anyway. The development of the digital truck appears to have been postponed since the organization has begun modifying highlights and functionalities because of expanded rivalry in the electric pickup market. This very well may be a decent reaction since it will help the organization stick out and presumably cut its specialty in the electric pickup market to our comprehension. We've proactively investigated each variable that is an opportunity for causing a decrease in Tesla stock cost, so it shows that a circle back is expected whenever the investigation concurs with us in regards to the stock cost. A portion of the examination appears to be divided on this. While some accept that the organization will keep on developing, there are other people who accept that it's been redesigned as per Susie's duty for less sureness about requests and impressively more vulnerability about EV supply. Tesla ought to currently be a major champ. As of now, it has an item lead over the opposition, and it has embraced the most exhaustive procedure for EV supply to Tesla. Not in the least works effectively to keep away from a portion of the difficulties that heritage unique gear makers face, which are edge-weakening assembling progress and circulation. Yet it additionally enjoys a serious benefit in supply and vertical reconciliation programming item effortlessness and capital accessibility. It is normal that electric vehicle deals are set to increase from $2.5 million in 2020 to $11.2 million by 2025, and then to $31.1 million by 2030. Consequently, this would expand the